Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of key on the application of Stumble Guys. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will click here in this window. Then in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.